Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you kada recipe. In winter season, many of us have to go through cold and cough. This kada gives you relief from them. Normally I prepare this kada at home regularly and I thought of sharing the recipe with you. If you like my recipe, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
On a medium flame, heat up a pan and add 1 cup of water into it and bring it to boil. Here we are using 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, 1 piece of nutmeg, whole nutmeg look like this, quarter spoon of black pepper, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 inches of cinnamon stick and 2 inches of ginger. All these spices have antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. So it helps the body to keep warm and fight against cold and cough. Now what we will do, we will add nutmeg piece, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon stick in a kalbatta and we will crush it. Here we are not using bay leaf and carom seeds. We will add them directly into water. Here our water started slightly boiling. Now break the bay leaf and add into it and add carom seeds. Add all crushed spices and grate the ginger directly into this boiling water. While cooking this kada, it gives a nice aroma. This aroma only gives you feeling of relief. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey into it and boil the water until it becomes half of its original quantity. In autumn, winter and spring, you can have this kada regularly as a precaution from cold and cough. Adults can have this kada half cup a day. Kids above 3 years can have quarter cup a day. And kids below 3 years have only 5 to 6 spoon a day. I would suggest don't have this kada empty stomach because in Ayurveda they used as a medicine. Now our kada is almost done. I am going to strain it into a cup. If you like this kada recipe, then please hit the like button below this video and share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By using these strained spices, you can prepare masala tea by adding milk, sugar and tea powder into it. If you are suffering from cold and cough, then have 1 cup of warm kada. It gives you relief from them.